Okay, so what we're going to do today is to make up a PowerPoint that's going to be engaging. So we want to make the background as good as we can. So it's parts of a computer. So I've done a quick search on parts of a computer. I found this really cool image that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to blow it up to full size. I'm going to right click and save the image. I'll just call it background and I'm just going to save it into my folder. Just pop it in there for the time being. Okay, so that's been saved. Now I'm going to take out these titles. I'm going to insert my image, find the right spot. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. I'm just going to stretch it out so it fills up space. Cool. It's a nice sharp image. I've searched for a wallpaper. Parts of a computer wallpaper. Always add the word wallpaper and it'll give you a nice big image. It's not going to be blurry when you enlarge it. Okay, at the moment this isn't going to work because if I start typing on it, if I insert some text, you'll see that no matter what color I put in there, it's not going to show up. And I can sort of work with different colors and shadings and that. There's a much better way for me to make this stand out. I'm just going to enlarge it up a little bit. It's fine. Make that a little bit bigger. Okay, so I can't read it. So the next video is going to be on how I change that image so that I can put all my text and everything and it's going to show up.